Hi friends, this is Trish with Fundos, and I am back with a very short video here. This is an update on Kylie by Wigpro in the color 9 tones, and I just love this style. It is a mid-length style and it is perfect for updos. I have been wearing this piece for, oh my gosh, every day for the last month or so, and I just cannot get enough of it. I love this piece so much. It's more of an ashy color tone, ashy brown with some blonde highlights through it, and I just love this piece. It comes to about shoulder length, and I wear this up all the time, and I just love it. So this is a quick update on this piece, and it is holding up nicely, and again, so lightweight, such a great piece. I just love it. Absolutely love it. So hopefully this information was helpful for you, and like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.